Hi, this is Andrew from ASUS. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up an AiMesh system using the ASUS Router app. For hard bundles such as this, the settings are pre-configured. If you're creating a configuration customized to your needs, make sure to update the firmware first. In this setup, you need two ASUS routers with AiMesh support and your phone with ASUS Router app installed. First, set up your primary router by connecting it to the modem and establishing an internet connection. Use the ASUS Router app to find it, then connect to it once it's found. Click on Start, then create unique SSIDs so that your AiMesh network can be found using Wi-Fi. A different login and password will be needed for when you need to access the router. Now place your extending node in close proximity and click on Add another node to find it. The pairing process won't take very long, but let's jump ahead anyway. After the pairing is complete, you're ready to place the node in an ideal place to extend your coverage. It's best to provide a line of sight between the two routers if possible. Not hard, is it? Now that AiMesh is set up, you can connect your Wi-Fi devices to either the primary router or the extending node. Seamless roaming switches you to the appropriate router automatically without disconnections. One of the best things about ASUS routers with AiMesh is that the main router is able to lend all connected nodes access to the advanced features such as parental control, prioritized gaming, and AI protection. This is not something that you can do by simply adding access points. For more info, visit our website. This is Andrew from ASUS. Thank you for watching.